So the roads are pretty much cleared. You can see there's a lot of snow. Most of the roads are cleared. The main ones are. The back roads aren't very cleared. Highway is fine. Look at all that snow. It's a lot of snow. Just ran out to the store to get some things for lunch. So the road that I'm about to turn on, it's decent. It's not as good as that road that we were just on. So it's getting there. Looks like they poured some salt down. All the snow plows are out and construction trucks, four-wheelers. I'm gonna get off before I do a donut.